I'm Angela and I love being a GelMoment distributor. I love it for so many reasons. I don't have a long enough time on this video to give you all the reasons, but one of the main things is the financial freedom it's given me as a single mom of 3 teenage kids that are looking towards university in the future, and I need to be able to support that. So this job has given me an extra income in order to do that. So if you are thinking that you need a little side cash or even a lot of side cash, check it out because it is the greatest job around.
I was already spending so much money on nail products before I started GelMoment, but now I make commissions off of everything that I buy.
Hi, my name's Lee and I'm an independent distributor with GelMoment. The reasons why I love being a distributor is all about the relationships. The relationships with my customers, my team, and head office. To me, this is what it's all about.
I love working my GelMoment business because of the financial freedom it gives me to be on vacation. Check out those views.
Hi, I'm Becky Van Bilsen and I am an independent GelMoment distributor. I signed up with the company in June 2020 because I love the product. That's what got me to sign up in the first place. I tried it, I loved it, and I enjoy doing my nails at home during COVID. The reason I've stayed with the company is for the awesome friendships I've made, the confidence boost, the extra cash flow is nice. It is an incredible opportunity. It is a young company. I say, why not take the risk? If not you, then who will it be?
Hi everybody, my name is Sheila. I'm a nurse and I became a GelMoment distributor when I fell in love with this product. I love how durable our GelMoment polishes are with all the hand washing that I have to do. I love that I get to still have healthy, strong nails. The durability of this polish lasts through all of that hand washing, and I knew I just had to become a distributor and share this with everybody that I knew.
My name is Kate Mays and I'm so glad that I jumped way out of my comfort zone to become a GelMoment distributor. The support and teamwork with GelMoment and Team Polish Possibilities is amazing, and it doesn't feel like work. It's fun. You get to paint your nails, talk to ladies from all over the place, and the extra paycheck each month doesn't hurt either.
My name is Christine and I love being a GelMoment distributor.
Hi, I'm Jamie and I love being a GelMoment distributor.
Hi, I'm Lindsay and I love being a GelMoment distributor.
Hello, my name is Mandy and I love being a GelMoment distributor.
Hi, my name is Angela and I love being a GelMoment distributor.